Hey, this is Austin with JK Mechanical. Today I'm going to show you how to check the windings on a compressor. If you think the compressor might be bad, um, this is just a basic uh, carrier split system heat pump. So first thing you'll want to do is turn the unit off, take your plug out, and here's your pins. You have, for single phase compressor, you have a start, run, common. So you'll take that out with power off, turn power back on, check. I like to check at the plug, that way I know the harness and the plug are good going to the compressor. So you'll turn the power back on, check your plugs, check for 240 or whatever you got there, and then if you know you got power to your compressor and it's still not running, you want to check the windings. Your start to common and your run to common should about equal your resistance reading from start to run. So I'll show you here. Hold on. So, okay, so start to common, I have 4.9. Here is run to common. I have 3 point. Hold on. Run to start. Start with one hand. About 6. So you can see run to common, start to common about equals. If you combine them, your resistance reading should be about run to start. And that doesn't have to be exactly, but pretty close. And then another thing to look at is, well, if you have open line to common to run or common to start, that could also be an open internal overload. Most compressors have internal overload, so you may just have to cool the compressor down and then go from there. But you also want to check to ground, your windings to ground. So this might not be a great spot, but this is just to show you. Open line, it should be open line for each of these. If it's not, then it's automatically bad. Should not have any resistance to ground. So there's nothing wrong with this compressor. I was just using this to show you guys, and yep, that's that. And then there is one thing that I did find here is the contactor that sends power to that will close and send power to the compressor. The contacts are burnt and pitted, so I'll probably be replacing that. This is just a PM that I'm on here. So, and yeah. That's all. But